Hi Musu, happy birthday. Your birthday is the biggest cause of my celebration. I thank God for creating such a beautiful human for me and feeling blessed to have you with me. Last 11 years of journey with you are such amazing journey through all highs and lows and a lot of things we got to learn together. We found our way of living together 2 years before we got married, and this journey is beyond amazing. I think I love you the most, more than everyone in the earth. You came to life like a pocket, full of smile and happiness. You made our home like dream come true. Our gardens in winter became the most beautiful place to roam around. Our home is now the biggest foodie destination. We have tasted a lot of delicious dishes as we have the menu for all kind of foods at our home restaurant, from delicious chicken biryani to mati handi mutton poda, from Mongolian momos to Italian pasta, from mouth-watering gupchup to authentic chocolava cake, and many more. Traveling with you brings excitement. Never felt bored at any place with you. Driving, traveling, and exploring became our hobby and passion. You make us happy throughout the year. You are the bonding factor like Febiquick to keep people around you. We love to listen stories and gossips from you as you are the perfect storyteller of our group. You are a true genius. You have a beautiful soul and great heart. Many times you are so innocent and cute that no one can say a no to you. I always feel much more secure, healthy, happy and rich when you are with me. Musu, this is a special way of wishing you happy birthday during this lockdown period, as there is a little surprise for you right after I stop speaking. I hope you really like it. Here it comes.
My aunt has ears that listen, arms that hug and hold, a love that's never ending, and a heart that's made of a gold. I love you, Mama Mausi. Happy birthday. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Musanti.
Happy birthday, Mosumi.
Happy birthday भाउजो भाउजो चिकन दब आज चिकन दब खाएको
Hey honey, many happy returns of the day, a very happy birthday. Always wear that beautiful smile on your face. Stay safe, stay blessed. It's been so long since we meet. Really hoping to meet you soon. Take care. Love ya, love ya, love ya, love ya.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mushu. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mushu. Many happy returns of the day. I love you.
I say something, my beautiful sister. Always ask question, borrow your clothes, tell you when your hair does not look good, are honest when it comes to fashion, share secrets when the sun is set, laughs out loud at every joke, fight but are never drawn apart. I love you always, encourage you when you are down, tell you you are beautiful, and always hug you when least accept it. Who would I live without them? It is my beautiful sister, Mama. I love you.
ମାମା ଜନ୍ମଦିନର ତତେ ହାର୍ଦ୍ଦିକ ଶୁଭେଚ୍ଛା ଶୁଭକାମନା ଭଲରେ ଥିବୁ ଖୁସିରେ ଥିବୁ ବର୍ଷ ସାରା ଆନନ୍ଦରେ ରହିବ ଦି ଜଣ ଯାହା ଖୁସିରେ ରହିବ
Hi Mosu. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Musu. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Musu. Many happy returns of the day. May all your dreams come true. Once again, happy birthday.
Hi Mama, happy birthday. many happy returns of the day. Enjoy your birthday. Have a nice day.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear honey. Happy birthday to you. Mwah. Love you so much. Miss you a lot. मत सब जिन मन पड़ी तो विषय रे तो बिरयानी आमर से जो गुपचुप वाला कथा एवरीथिंग मानी लाइक यू नो ना तुम हमें कितने स्पेशल सो वी आर लकी कि सत्य तो संगे अच्छी एंड खूब सेलिब्रेट करो धूमधाम से एंड मत फोटो शेयर करें ओके चलो विश यू ए वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे गॉड ब्लेस यू
हैप्पी बर्थडे मामा
Hello Musu, hi, happy birthday to you. Many happy returns of the day. And what can I say in your birthday? I can say that friends are like beads and you are the thread to bind them all together. And you are a perfect combination of all the things. I can say that you do a lot of art and craft. You abiding by the culture of ours. Then you do cooking. Then you do fashion and your dressing sense. I can say that you are a perfect. The perfect word is for you. And life is like a roller coaster, and I'm glad that you are there for us to ride in that roller coaster also. And you are a person who is always inspiring to others. And you are a blessed to your parents, to your friends, and all the persons around you. You are a reason why people smile a lot. Then you are very adorable. Everybody can respect you also, and everybody also follows you. As we have seen that in also many in feast programs, we can say that people coming to and say that they are fans of yours. You are a perfect combination of a couple. We can say that Satya and Mosmi, and we can say that you are imperfect with Satya and Satya is imperfect with you. So I can say that it's a perfect combination of we can say give an example of a couple. It's very nice to have a friend like you, and I think it's my pleasure to have you in my life. And from our childhood since 8-9 class to till date, you inspire me a lot. You take care of the family, of both the family, my family also, but still you are a perfect, what I can say, a perfect word is for you, I can only describe. And your smile is so contagious that, as corona is contagious, and smile of yours is so contagious that every people fall in love in you. And what can I say in your birthday more, that you are a perfect, super se bhi upar, you are a perfect one. And I think you should continue this smiling forever. And maybe I will be with this birthday for this year. Maybe next year I will be not with you, but still we have to celebrate the birthday like this. And around 5 to 6 years we are celebrating your birthday with lots of fun and stuff. And this birthday is also special for you, as we are making a video for you, as you know. And okay then, many happy returns of the day once again, and happy birthday.
Hi honey, happy birthday. सब बेले हसुबू खुशी रोथबू बहुत बहुत बुलूबू सॉरी मु तो सबुठ हैप्पीएस्ट मोमेंट रे जाई परलिनी बहुत सॉरी तू सब बेले मो सांगरे थिलु बाकी मु सॉरी
Happy birthday to mama, my dear darling. Happy birthday guys. You must know Mosumi, okay, and Musu, but you don't know mama, which I know, okay, which I know. Surprise. See, yes. Okay, so my darling, I'll not pray anything for you, but I know you are a very confident girl which will get all the things what he deserve by your own way. Okay?
On the eve of your birthday, I am making this video. As we know, your birthday is 11 July. So I would like to take some time to describe our relationship. So we have a very good relationship, a strong rapport, friendship, love, strong bond of friendship in hard times as well as in good times. So I would pray to God to give you a good life, long life ahead, be fit, stay fit, and have a happy life with Satyamosa. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Musu. You are the best. You have a beautiful heart. And I will always be there with you forever. You are there in my heart as always. And I love you. We all love you, Musul. And I wish God will give you the every happiness of your life. All your wishes comes true. And what else? Hope you like the video. Hope Satya will give you a great surprise in this corona lockdown stage. We all love you.
Happy birthday to you, my sweet mama.
Happy birthday, mama. Happy birthday, mama, papa. Bye. Happy birthday, mama, papa.
Hey, happy birthday. Wishing you lots of love and happiness. And ढेर सारा मस्ती. We'll be making lots of tour together.